if you're on Instagram, if you're just getting started or you kind of don't know what to do with your profile, I want to share a few of my tips on having a successful Instagram profile. So one is, if you're doing it for business, go over to your profile and make sure that you go to your settings and get a business account. You definitely want to have a business account. I have two accounts. I have a business account and a personal account. And my business account is super focused on my audience and who I'm trying to attract for work. So in your account, make sure that you have a handle. That's your username. That's really easy to identify. And make sure your username is the same across all of your social media profiles. So it should be the same on Facebook, on Pinterest, mindstudio.chico. Make sure that you include your name in the area or your business name. In this field, you want to include your pronouns. There's a field to include your industry. And then you have a little area to put in your profile. Here, I encourage you to use a few emojis. In the first line, let people know what you're there for. When you read this, you know that I am here to help you level up your design skills and branding. You also know I'm a creative educator, Skillshare teacher, and I do art licensing and surface design. I tell you to get more here, and I have a link. And when you go to this link, it's not just directly to my website, but it's a link tree so you can get access to all the different things that I want you to bring attention to. All right? That's a different way to get your audience brought in. Next on your Instagram profile, add some highlights. So right here, I have some highlights, and those are added from stories. So add some highlights. Then when you get down to your profile, make sure that you at least have 9 pictures. So it completes, kind of a look on your profile. It fills in all 3 squares. And make sure that your images are kind of cohesive. You kind of keep some rhythm going through your images, whether it has to do with scale, texture, color. Keep a rhythm going with all your images and keep interest. I often archive images or hide reels once I get so many views, and I think I don't want them to be seen on my main feed anymore, and people can still access them here. So if I go to reels, you'll see that I have a whole different set of reels. So these two I've already archived, but this high performing reel I've kept on my main page. Also, you can pin post to the top. So this post I've pinned up here, and this is something on my Skillshare class that I've been trying to promote. So I've been promoting this with a post that I made several weeks ago, but it's been pinned to the top, and it's here at the top. So those are some tips on getting started with Instagram and getting a successful profile set up.